Let's look at the Nimble app and for CRM. Here we have our agenda of what's happening today. We can look at tasks if we're using that. The main thing we want to look at is contacts. If we meet somebody new, let's just go back into general contact view. We go to the top right hand corner and go to the plus sign to add a new contact. Scan business card. Let's scan this card, which being dark, it's a bit more challenging for character recognition, but there it is. Are we okay with that? It looks fine to me, so we go okay. So it's going to read all the characters and enter them into the new contact. So we can check the details, which all the numbers are correct, phone number, and it's even got the website. So we can just go add at the top, and then it's asking, it's already got this character. So we want to merge contact at the bottom and set, which is the promo. It's in here multiple times, that person. So it's now done it. And we can add a tag. Those are the default tags that were in the record already. And if we go to add a new, because we met this person at the Professional Speakers Association Aussie conference, we go and add that tag, and then that record is there. We can also add tasks, events, or call them. We can add a deal, an opportunity to put a proposal in, or if we've set up our pipeline, we can email them. This character's got lots of email addresses. Phone number, lots of phone numbers. We can just dial them from within CRM. Really powerful. Add a new note. Awesome app, which we love.